Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back just to shoot you a quick video. In one day with direct mail, I made $574. I went to the mailbox and checked, and all these checks were in the mail. That is a total of $574. So that just shows you the potential income you can make with direct mail. This is American Bill Money. This one is Easy Profit, and this is Postcard Tycoon, and that is Postcard Networker. But all these checks came in the mail. I picked them up yesterday, and that's a total of $574. So I give you options that you can choose from for the direct mail business, and take a look at them. I'm going to put the links below. If you have any questions, give me a call about these direct mail programs. But that's a total of $574. Okay? Direct mail marketing. Alright guys, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next video.